What's up everyone, this is your teacher friend Sanjay and today we are going to see a sum which is little interesting. The sum is the sum of digits of two digit number is 10. If 18 is subtracted from its digit, the digits in the resulting number will be equal. So the real number is, and this sum is expected to be solved by using linear equation. By using linear equation. So actually by using linear equation, if it is asked to solve this sum, then the question is definitely little challenging. Okay, so obviously if the sum of two digit number is 10, so the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to write the two digit number. What is it? So let the two digit number is 10x plus y. I mean, this is the usual way in which we put any two digit number. Okay, where x is the digit in tens place and y in units place. So your digit will look like xy. Okay, now further they are saying if I am subtracting 18 from this digit, the digit in the resulting number will be equal. Now there can be two cases where I can subtract 18 from this number xy. Let us take both the cases, case 1 and case 2. In case 1, what I am going to do, I am going to write xy and I am going to write 18 here and I am going to subtract it. And this case is actually where y is greater than or equal to 8. Because y can have any value, y can be greater than or equal to 8. Okay, so that's your case 1. Now y minus 8 is something that is represented as a box and x minus 1 is something that is represented as a box. Okay, so definitely y minus 8 is something which is again equals to x minus 1. That's what our catch is. They are asking us that the resulting digit would be equal of that two digit number. So I am assuming these two digits are equal. So if these two digits are equal, y minus 8 would be equal to x minus 1. And solving this, I will have therefore x minus y equals to minus 8 plus 1 and x minus y is equals to minus 7. Okay, and putting this as equation 1, in question they are saying that the sum of digits of two digit number is 10. That means if I am adding x with y, I will be getting 10. So this is equation number 2 which is given in the question. So if I am solving these two simultaneously, I will end up writing 2x is equals to 10 minus 7 is somewhat 3. So x is 3 by 2. Okay, so x is not a proper number. X is a number which is in decimal format, which is not expected for this question. So definitely x is equals to 3 by 2 is not the correct answer. Why? because x is not a proper number, it's 1.5, which is not a proper number. Now let us understand case 2. In case 2, I am subtracting 18 from xy, and here I am taking y as less than 8. Now you have to be little cautious while understanding this case. Okay. So before doing this subtraction, I will be solving a simple subtraction case. Say for instance 23 minus 17. Okay, so here I am taking a case where the unit place digit is less than this unit place digit. So 3 minus 7, we know that 3 minus 7 is not possible, so 2 will become something less than 2, and this 1 will be moved over here, so 3 becomes 13. So 13 is actually 10 plus 3. Am I correct? 3 becomes 13 and 13 is actually 10 plus 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13 and 13 minus 7 is 6. This is how we do, and this number is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Alright, now moving on to this subtraction. I already told you that this case is where y is less than 8. So if I am subtracting 8 with a number which is less than 8, definitely I am carrying from x. So x will become x minus 1, because x is donating one number to y, and it will become 1y. 1y is actually 10 plus y. Just like 3 becomes 13 and 13 is 10 plus 3, y becomes 1y and 1y is 10 plus y. Just try to understand this. It's the very important step. So how I am going to solve this? 10 plus y minus 8. This box has got 10 plus y minus 8. Okay, and this box is nothing but x minus 1 minus 1, x minus 1 minus 1, and as per the question both the boxes will have the same digit. So according to the condition, x minus 1 should be equals to 10 plus y minus 8. That is giving me x minus 2 is equals to 10 minus 8 is 2, 2 plus y. Further x minus y is equals to 4, making it equation number 1. And in the question what they have given to us is x plus y is equals to 10. This is my second equation. So on solving it, I am going to add them. So I will get 2x is equals to 10 plus 4 is 14, and x is equals to 7. Now see, x is a proper number in this case. X is a proper number. So if I am putting the value of x in any of the equation, I will get 7 minus y is equals to 4. That will give y as 7 minus 4. So y is equals to 3. So even the value of y that I am going to get is a proper number. Okay. Now x is 7, y is 3. So required number is 10x plus y, which is 10 into 7 plus 3, that is 73. Okay, and if I am subtracting 73, I am subtracting 18 from 73, I will get 55. Both the digits are same. So this is your answer. Your required number is 75. 3. I hope you enjoyed this question. Thanks a lot.